In this video I'm going to show you how to do an amazing DIY glowing skin treatment with aloe vera. One of the many benefits of aloe vera is the rapid growth of this useful plant, so there's always sufficient number of lower leaves that could be used to make aloe vera gel at home. Aloe vera has many medicinal properties, and because of these properties it's widely used in beauty products. If you want smooth, glowing and shiny skin naturally, then aloe vera is perfect. Aloe vera is very effective in the treatment of numerous skin conditions because of its potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins C, E as well as beta carotene, which are all effective in fighting premature aging, and it will also moisturize your skin without making it feel greasy. This simple trick using aloe vera will make your face and skin feel immediately soft, beautiful and glowing. So here's a simple home remedy you can use today and try it out. For a total facial treatment, number 1, first get an aloe vera leaf and chop it into about 4 pieces. And then number 2, squeeze out the gel and juice from the leaf. Number 3, add about a tablespoon of rice flour to the aloe vera gel. Number 4, then include about 2 tablespoons of rose water and 2 tablespoons of mineral water, and then just mix it all up extremely well. If you find you haven't got enough product, well then just simply increase the ingredients. This makes an excellent scrub for your face. The antioxidants, beta carotene, vitamin C and E in aloe vera will help to combat premature aging, hydrate your skin and get rid of acne and acne scars. Scrubbing will help get rid of dead skin cells and aid new skin cell regeneration and help keep your skin radiant by giving you a bright skin tone. Once you've done scrubbing, use lukewarm water to wash your face. If you wish to apply a toner to your face, you should utilise a spray bottle with a 50-50 mix of water and aloe vera juice to your face. Leave it on your face and let the air to dry it out. Once your face has actually been air dried, apply aloe vera gel and once dry wash it off gently with warm water. For cleansing your skin, you can add pure natural honey to aloe vera gel in a 50-50 mix. Wash your face with lukewarm water before cleansing. Make a circular movement with the mix on your skin. This way you will get all your skin hydrated and improve its elasticity when you do. Your skin will be nourished with oxygen and vitamins, and it will also help to restore its pH balance. Once you've done applying the aloe vera and honey mix on your skin, leave it on for some minutes, then use a cotton ball to wipe your face. And that's it. That's 3 ways in which you can use aloe vera gel to get beautiful, bright, glowing skin. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use aloe vera for glowing skin, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 52 amazing aloe vera health benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.